The GYS Diag Startium claims to take working with batteries to a new level of convenience and safety. Garage Wire visits Worcester's Mobile Mechanic Limited, where its technicians got to grips with the unit ahead of a 3-week review.
It's an intelligent starter charger, so you've got protection for all modern vehicles. It will charge all type of battery, be it lead acid, gel, AGM, silver, calcium, whatever you need to charge. You can charge in situ on the vehicle safely. You've got 3 different modes: liquid, gel, start, stop, universal. So you can select which type, or you can just put it into universal and it'll take care of the battery as and when you need.
We're using this boost pack now at least 3 times a week, if not more. It's value for money. It does everything you're going to need to do. You can actually set it to charge all types of battery, even the BMW stop-start battery. So consequently, you're not going to damage any vehicle or cause any stress.
Put it into start mode, unlike the old style ones where it's whacking lots of power in. This will just supply the power as and when you turn the key, so it's safe again. The Volvo demo was a very good one because the battery is actually in the boot underneath another panel. You've got 2 charging points underneath the bonnet. We had no idea what type of battery. The charger doesn't care. Put it into universal mode and it charges the battery safely. The guys loved it because it made their job a lot easier, because then they don't have to identify the battery, which takes time. This was more so on the diagnostic side. I wanted to show that it will support the diagnostic process. So what we did, we put in the light, connected it up, put it into Diag, selected 13.5 volts, which is what most vehicles are happy with, and it just maintained the car at a constant voltage. We were putting the lights on, the air conditioning on, and instead of the voltage dropping, which you can then get false readings, you can then start getting problems with ECUs and sensors. It stopped any of those problems.
The best function we found for it is diagnostic work. We had a Ford KA in with a bit of a wobbly battery. The machine will hold it continually at 14 volts while we diagnose exactly what was wrong with the vehicle. It means that you'll be able to diagnose faults correctly, you'll be able to save customers money on needless battery purchases, and everything with the jump start capability of the tool, everything is faster with it. It's there next to, we haven't got to go into the office to get the jump pack. The jump pack can now be out in the recovery truck and we can still jump start vehicles.
The GYS Diag Startium is available through Motor Factors. Contact GYS for further information on 01926 338 609.